community has led Israel to engage in this genocide, which has shocked the conscience of humanity. South Africa is mindful that the present genocide operates in denial of the Palestinian people's inalienable right to self-determination and collective right to return to their homes in Palestine. This genocide takes place within the context of the ongoing NAKBA, the 76th anniversary of which was celebrated yesterday. The continued forced displacement of the Palestinian people, the erasure of Palestinian presence in Palestine, and replacement with colonial settlers. A criminal process entrenched and maintained by 76 years of apartheid and 56 years of illegal, belligerent occupation. Undoubtedly, the ongoing scenes of Palestinians being forced to repeatedly flee for their lives is only reminiscent of the Nakba of 1948. It is a continuation of it. 7 months ago, South Africa could not have imagined that Gaza would now be mostly wiped off the map. It could not foresee that every family, every neighborhood, every class of students, every workplace would be pulled apart, killed, maimed, displaced, malnourished or starved. South Africa had hoped, when we last appeared before this court, to halt this genocidal process, to preserve Palestine and its people. Instead, Israel's genocide has continued apace and has just reached a new and horrific stage. Israel has sought to hide its crimes through the weaponization of international humanitarian law. It pretends that the civilians it ruthlessly kills through its 2,000-pound bombs, through its targeted airstrikes, through its artificial intelligence systems, through its executions, are human shields. This whitewashing of Israel's genocide misses the key and fundamental element, that of the massive and still mounting evidence of Israel's genocidal intent. Documents and videos of Israeli parliamentarians and military leaders calling for the destruction of the Palestinian people in Gaza, incitement by Israeli civil society and leading public Israeli figures, all collectively supporting the genocide and its continuation. Israel continues to show utter contempt for Palestinian life, operating with impunity. South Africa has no other option than to once again seek protection in the halls of justice for the fundamental right of the Palestinian people to their existence. Although this present application was triggered by the unfolding horrific situation in Rafah, Israel's genocidal onslaught across Gaza has intensified over the past few days, also warranting the attention of this court. With that, Mr. President, I respectfully wish to request you to invite Professor Von Loh to set out South Africa's substantive legal arguments. I thank you.
I thank the agent of South Africa for his statement. I now invite Professor Von Loh to take the floor. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, sir. Mr. President, members